Let's go over how you do a back post double crochet. To start, you need a foundation row of double crochets. So we're not going to be putting our back post double crochet behind the first stitch. We're going to be doing it on the second stitch. So back post double crochet, instead of going into the stitch, you're actually going to be going around the post of the previous row's double crochets. However, there are two different ways you can go around this post, and that is where the front and back post double crochet comes in. So for the back post double crochet, we're going to think that we want to take this post and we want to push it away from us. And to do that, we need to come from the back to the front and then back to the back. And we are pushing that post away from us. We can't see it anymore because our hook is covering it, but we're pushing it away from us. So that is what we want to do. So we're going to yarn over like a normal double crochet, but instead of going through the stitch, we're going to be going around this post. And since we are doing a back post double crochet, we're going to push this post away from us. So we want to come from the back to the front and then around back. And so we're pushing this post away from us. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through behind the post. And then we're going to complete it out like a normal double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So there is one back post double crochet. So once again, we're going to yarn over to the start of our double crochet. We're going to go from the back to the front to then the back. So we're pushing that post away from us. We're pushing it to the back. We're going to yarn over, pull our yarn through behind that post, and then finish it out. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is how you do a back post double crochet. So the front of a back post double crochet is a front post double crochet. If you want to watch the tutorial for that one, please watch this video here. I will do one more with you. So we're going to yarn over. We're not going to go into the stitch. We're going to be going around the post, pushing it towards the back away from us. Yarn over, pull our yarn behind that post. Then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And there you go. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.